It's tutorial time. Let's create these super easy Halloween manis. Starting with these easy mummy nails. Prepare your nails with a pure stick base coat and paint a full mani with onyx. Use the eye stickers from the It's a Mood pack and apply it to your pointer and ring finger. Let snow cone get tacky and apply sticky polish across your nails as the mummy wraps. Clean up and seal your mani with the gel shine top coat and you're done. Next up, these easy mini bat nails. Prepare your nails with our base coat and paint a full mani with onyx. Top with one coat of the matte cover top coat and use the gel shine top coat to create little squiggles as bats. And you're done. Now we have these easy little ghost nails. After your base coat, paint a white blob onto the tips of your nails and use a dotting tool to drag the white polish and create little arms. Use onyx to create 2 eyes and a mouth on each ghost, seal your mani, and you're done. And last are these trick-or-treat tips. After your base coat, apply a line of your favorite fall shade to your finger and press the shade onto the tip of your nails like this. Repeat with each shade, seal your mani, and you're done. Thanks for watching.